Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about m equals to this one and n equals to this one. So we have the s. That means we need to do first the derivative of m with respect to y. So we just have only this one, and that is about 3s squared. We have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of n with respect to s. So this one we have 3s squared. This one we don't have s, so you got number 0. So we can see that this one and this one, they are same. So that is about exact. So we need to set up fsy equals to the integration. That is about this one. And we have 3sy. The integration of 3s squared, that is about s to the power of 3y. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. So this one we have number 1. And this one we have d over dy 3sy. And we know that this one equals to this one. And now we need to simplify for the both sides. So this one should be like this. So we put the integration for the both sides. And we have the final answer. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about 3sy. 3sy equals to this one. And we know that this one, that is about fsy. Fsy equals to c. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.